Oh no! Whoa!
I'm banana, that is the real me. I'm banana, banana. I'm banana, that is the real me.
Wow!
Strawberry, strawberry, where are you? I am strawberry, do. Strawberry,
Yeah!
Oh no! Seriously?
Hero, where are you? I am hero, do.
Hey girl!
Whoa!
Who is there with you? Hero, hurry. No, that won't
Woohoo!
I'm hero.
Oops!
Banana, where are
Yikes.
you? I am banana, do. Banana, who is there with you?
Whoa!
Banana, no, that won't do.
Uh-huh.
Banana, I'm banana, that is the real me. I'm banana, I'm banana, that is the real me.
Whoa!
strawberry.
Aha! Great! Good job!
Bop it, simple, bop it, squish. Wow, it together. Bop it, simple, bop it, squish. Wow, so much fun. Bop it, bubble, squish. Bop it, bop it, bop it. Bop this bubble, squish. Bop it, bop it, bop. Do you see this color? Bop it, bop. We'll take turns.
Fantastic! Wow! Good job! Woohoo!
Aww.
Playing with my
Aha.
is so much fun. Hey, stop! Yak. Where is the water hose? Here I come. I will catch you. Run. Oh. Playing with mud is so much fun.
Whoa! Wow!
Is so much fun.
6 is greater than 5.
You can catch us now.
6 is equal to 6.
Mighty boat.
Yeah!
Hey.
Aha!
My body is huge. Here I come.
Yeah!
Catch you. Run.
Banana. Hey monkey, here I come. Banana. Hey monkey, stomp the floor.
Someone is misbehaving. Somebody
Oh no!
made a mess. Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, so yes. I thought it's so
Sweet.
Yummy
Silly.
apple, let's take a
Happy.
bite. Just
Playful.
eating my snack. With a pencil, we will draw a nice color. Here you go.
Hello.
It's so scary. Oh no.
Yes.
Oopsie, baby, you're having an emergency.
Oopsie, what happened to me? Something wrong in my pants.
Wow.
Let's change your diaper, baby. And now you're fresh again. You know you can go and play, my
Aha.
friend.
Fantastic.
I ate too much.
Hello.
Hello, who is there with these huge eyes? I'm so scared. It's a cute baby animal. I wonder what you are. Oh no,
Up and down.
baby's hungry. We need to figure out what animal you are.
Right and left.
Baby animal.
Wow.
Baby, baby animal. Baby, baby animal. I wonder what animal. Blush! This feeling smells like Coca-Cola. It smells like vanilla.
Yeah.
Vanilla. It smells like like someone has a
Let's go.
crush on. It's a puzzle game. Let's do this. Fill this puzzle piece by piece.
Aww.
So many shapes,
Aha.
eyes, mouth, and nose. Where do they go? Where do they go? It's a kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, you're so cute. Kitty, I love you.
Wow.
Meow, 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 meow.
Good job.
Yeah.
It's a happy birthday! What?
Great.
Oh no! Oh no! Someone ruined my cake.
Yes.
So angry.
Let's
feel
go.
So angry.
3 plus 4 equals.
Oopsie,
7.
oopsie, I know this feeling. I will take
3 minus 1 equals 2.
Now you have no
5 plus 5
emotions
equals
in your
10. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Good.
So you gotta move like me, move like me, move like me.
Aha.
Gotta move like me, move
Oh,
like
no.
me.
What?
I'm gonna bring the hair, fix all the eyes on me.